56% of Americans cannot cover a $1,000 emergency expense without going into debt. An emergency fund is not optional. It is the foundation of every financial plan. Add up your essential monthly expenses: rent, utilities, food, insurance, minimum debt payments, and transportation. Multiply by 6. That is your target emergency fund amount. For the first 3 months, go into savings sprint mode. Cut all non-essential spending, sell items you no longer use, and redirect every extra dollar to your emergency fund. Put your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account earning 4.5% or more. Good options in 2026 include Wealthfront, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and Ally Bank. Never invest your emergency fund. Set up automatic weekly transfers, even if it is just $25. Keep the account at a separate bank to reduce temptation. Only use it for true emergencies, not vacations or sales. Start your emergency fund today. Even $50 matters. Share your savings goal in the comments and subscribe for more actionable finance tips.